Guys, I have the perfect homemade trick for you that will make you go hard in just 15 seconds. Okay, you will please yourself and your partner again. And all you're gonna do is just go to your kitchen right now and grab a pinch of salt and just do this 15-second homemade trick that is super simple. Okay, this homemade trick was discovered by a Harvard scientist and it has been helping thousands of men to really get a better erection and performance in bed. If you want to know more about this trick, all you gotta do is just go to the link in this video description, and there you're going to find the perfect homemade trick video, okay, the one that actually works for thousands of men, guys. And let me tell you a secret, this is the trick that the movie stars have been using and are able to perform 3 to 4 rounds without getting exhausted. Okay, this homemade salt trick really will help you with your performance. And well, if you want to know more about it, just don't forget to go to the link in this video description while the video is still out there. Okay,
There's the difference.
Absolutely, yes.
Good difference?
Yeah, it's bigger. It's definitely bigger.
Yeah?
It is.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is insane.
What would you say is the biggest difference that you noticed?
It's girthier.
Girthier?
It's that girth.
And when I told you that I was going to do it, what did you say?
I was skeptical. I was like, oh, come on.
You also said I didn't need it.
I also said you didn't need it, but
Now that I did it.
yeah, it's definitely, I can definitely, absolutely tell the difference.
Good? Good?
Yes, good.
Good? So, any guy out there that's like insecure about his size or just wants to be like bigger, what would you recommend?
Good, absolutely, yes. I mean, you've used it, you've lived it, you went through the process, and
Yeah.
you know it works.
Yeah. Want me to keep you using it?
I think we're good where we're at. We don't
What?
need anything else.
No, no bigger? I'm going another 30 days.
Okay.